What up, what up, what up? Y'all already know what this finna be. It's a vlog. So your girl's about to go get a haircut, y'all, because I'm tired of Connor leaving my shit patchy as heck. Like a patch here, probably a patch somewhere in the back. I never know how the back of my head looks, so I just want to even all around. So I'm about to go to the barbershop. Hopefully they know what they doing, y'all, because when I used to shave my head back in like 2016, 2017, one time I went to this barber and he gave my ass a circle line, and I'm gonna try to find a picture of it, but it was the ugliest shit ever. So we have decided to put on a load of laundry before I go get my hair cut, because it just makes sense to kill two birds in one stone. So then that way, huh?
Which one stone?
Oh, so I just went wearing this little army shirt that I got thrifting like 2 weeks ago. And my green pants, how cliche, and my Rick Owens flip-flops, just to run a quick couple of errands. And then my friend Trey is coming over to take pictures of me around Harlem. At first I was like, no, I don't want to take pictures around Harlem. But then I was like, shit, this is my city. I didn't say it like that, but I just feel like it's not really my aesthetic light. And that's going to be air dry. You know, I feel like Harlem is a little bit more old school, a little bit more, I don't know, urban looking, but it's where I live, so I gotta embrace that. So I'm making my smoothie right now, you guys, and it's just gonna be kale and banana. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of honey in there for sweetness, a little bit of ice for liquidiness, and maybe a little bit of almond milk if we have more almond milk. For some reason, kale tastes like birthday icing to me. It's like super weird, because I know like kale, especially this much kale in a smoothie, some people are like gross. But with banana and honey, it just tastes like birthday cake icing, y'all. So I love that. I love it because it's a healthy smoothie, and I feel like I can get all of my nutrients. So that's what she's gonna be making today. Alright, y'all, let's see what this smoothie tastes like. Pretty good.
Birthday cake?
Yeah.
She doesn't like it.
It's like food consistency. So I'm gonna put this in the blender a little bit more. But other than that, I think it tastes pretty good. Alright, y'all, now let's try it. I added one extra ice cube, and that was it. I just wanted to blend it a little bit more to give it like a more of a liquidy consistency. Perfect. Come try it, babe. That's it. Now I can actually swallow before chewing. All right, get in the camera, try it. What do you think, Goog?
It's pretty good.
Thanks.
Did
He
you tell?
has so many like nose hairs.
She just thinks any green in the smoothie works.
So yesterday, y'all, I put arugula and kale and honey. Same thing that I put in there today, but I just added arugula. And that shit was so disgusting. Like, I couldn't even sip it without wanting to gag. Like, do not ever put arugula in a smoothie. Ever. So this is what my hair looks like, you guys. He did such an amazing job. I've never had such an even haircut ever. Like, ever. I think I want to do this now every time because it looks so good. Like, this is what I always like to, this is what I aspire for my hair to look like all the time. Okay, I'm going to talk to you guys when I get in the apartment because it's dark. Just so you guys can see it a little bit better, he did an amazing job. Connor just said I didn't know it could get so even. Yeah, it can. And now it'll grow nicely. I'm just so happy. It makes me want to go back to him again and again. But I feel like $20 every 2 weeks. I guess that's okay. This boy popping pimples on my head. Get out of here.
I'm not popping a pimple.
Trey is here, you guys. But I am making him a smoothie, you guys. He asked for a smoothie because he's saying mine. But I ran out of like almond milk, so I used wine as a supplement. So Trey's smoothie is going to be an alcoholic type of a beverage. Hopefully he likes it.
Ooh, this one smells like chocolate.
Which one?
This one.
It smells like vanilla to me.
Vanilla?
Yeah. He's over here buying my Byredo perfume, smelling those guys.
They smell so
The bibliothèque, that's the room spray.
This one?
The black one. So you can spray it in the room.
The room? Oh, right.
Yeah. Which one is your fave?
I like the vanilla. Ooh, this one. I like this one.
Which one?
11th
Yeah.
hour.
The first time I smelled 11th hour, I thought it smelled like hot sauce.
Okay.
All right. Let us know what it tastes like, Trey.
I'm gonna smell it first.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. It smells very inviting.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I hope it tastes good.
Alright.
You don't like it.
Actually, it is really good.
It is?
Here, try it.
Okay.
It's pretty good. With the wine?
That shit bang. Y'all, this shit bang. So I also use a little bit of like daiquiri mix.
Oh, what's that?
It's just like daiquiri.
What is daiquiri?
Like a strawberry daiquiri. Like liquor.
Oh, liquor.
It ain't got no liquor in it though. But I put the daiquiri mix, this wine, kale, banana. Okay, that's it. That's it.
You gotta make that more often. That's pretty good.
I know. I gotta make them up
Wait,
there.
I'm gonna break this down. My roommate got a blender.
Yeah, it's so easy to make, as you can see. And all the clothes y'all see around, it's just because we just came back from the laundromat. So that's why y'all see clothes everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna go check on Connor. Connor's on a meeting. Hey guys, I've been away from you guys all day. Me and Trey went out and we filmed. Trey there. And yeah, we got some really good pictures from my Instagram, which I'm super excited for you guys to see. Follow me on IG if you don't already. But yeah, we about to eat pizza right now. We have cheese pizza with peppers, which, yeah. Connor messed it up though, because it was supposed to be pepperoni peppers. No, what am I talking about? It was supposed to be pepperoni, but I think that this pepper actually looks better and smells good.
Yeah.
Because I was kind of hesitant about meat anyway. But Trey liked meat, so.
I do.
Here we are.
It's good. I like it.
So we got pizza from this place, Giovanni's, you guys. And I think that it is the best pizza in New York, which means a lot coming from me. Because I come from Chicago, which is where the best pizza is made, period. I will argue anybody down any day. But yeah, we finna smash this, y'all. I'm so hungry. Connor, of course, has his sriracha on deck. How was it, Trey?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You had a lot of firsts today. I just thought about it.
Yeah, I had a
With
lot
that
of fun.
smoothie.
I had a wine smoothie.
Yeah.
Is there wine?
Well, this is what I just put on when I got out the shower because we have been taking photos all day, which is why you see clothes everywhere around my room right now. But anyway, this is what I'm wearing, and I think this is a cute little outfit that I didn't even intend on busting, but I busted. And I'm just wearing this little halter tank top, you guys, that I literally got from Forever 21 like 4 years ago. And then my Uniqlo jeans, my little wide leg jeans. And I love this outfit especially because this top is like pretty sexy. It has like the back out. But yeah, this is what your girl is looking like, you guys, for the night. I'm not going back out, but it's okay to be cute in the house or whatever. Let's vlog, baby. Alright guys, so the day is winding down, it's coming to an end. Connor and I are about to get ready for bed. And yeah, I'm gonna put away a couple of things that I have to put away. Follow me, babe. Don't get my bottom because I'm not wearing bottoms. So these are the things that I like to air dry, you guys, which are my like cotton tees. These are all 100% cotton, not this one. I just wore this today. Didn't wash that, but these two I just took out the wash and I just laid them out to air dry, and they are both 100% cotton. And that's how I care for my cotton pieces, my cotton t-shirts, my cotton jeans. I air dry them. So for my jeans, you guys, I like to turn them inside out when I wash them, and I just wash them warm temperature with the rest of my clothes, or like light colors, and I take them out the wash and I air dry them like this as well. With my Levi's shorts, I put them in the dryer because I want them to fit a little bit more snug. So let's try these on to see what they look like. Because with denim, it stretches out because it's cotton, and that's just the nature of cotton. So I like to sometimes put my cotton jeans and shorts in the dryer so that they can shrink. And see, they just fit so much better to me now, like so much more fitted. And then for hemp, you guys, hemp, and I would say the same thing for linen, for hemp or linen. A lot of people don't like to like wash their linen, but I have a couple linen pieces, and I find that if I wash it, it's okay, especially with, again, light colors, it's okay. And I air dry it though, that is a must. I always air dry my linen. And as you can see, they just still have their flow to them. Like they just honestly still look like how they looked when the first day I bought them. So happy that they kept through the years that I've had them. Or the year, because I've only had them a year. And then for silk, my silk pieces, and I actually thrifted these shorts, you guys. They're so cute. I paid like 50 cents for them. They are 100% silk. And I wear them to bed, and I also like to wear them with like sweaters and other stuff too, out the house. But mostly I wear them to bed, or even like working out. They are just like the everything short. But how I care for them and how I keep them looking so fresh, so clean, so vibrant with the colors is I air dry them. So I put them in a wash again with my colored things, and then I just let them air dry. And as you can see, they keep their movement. The color still looks vibrant. They fit me perfectly. They look honestly just like so expensive, but I paid like 50 cents for them. So that is how I care for my silks. Now, I would say with like silk tops like that are more intricate in design or have like buttons or like fancy stitching, I would of course recommend dry cleaning that, of course, hands down. But yeah, if it's something just like really dainty like shorts, or I feel like a tank top that's like 100% silk, it's okay to wash and just air dry. But I don't blame you if you want to go with just on the care tag. But I have found with buying linens, silks, cottons, there are little shortcuts, and to me the shortcut is just air drying, washing it in the washer, but air drying. And that is how I wash my stuff. We are about to go to bed, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.